when you go very close to somebody. Oh, this girl extra. Hi guys, today I am feeling a little bit extra. If you can't tell already, look at my top. How red it is. It's like bright red, okay? And take a look at my earrings, okay? So huge. But I know you guys don't care. Let's get back to the right topic from my previous eyeshadow guide video, which you can find them right here. So some of you guys have requested me to do a glitter eyeshadow tutorial slash tips slash video. And today, since I'm feeling a bit extra, I'm here to do that for you guys. If you guys know me, I am not here to teach you guys about very artistry, very like makeup competition kind of glitter look. So this kind of glitter eyeshadow looks are very commonly found in American makeup because they like to do like cut crease glitter, full eyelid glitter, like they're going to the competition every single day. But over here, if you guys don't know me yet, all my videos are very everyday friendly, natural friendly kind of look. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to use glitter in your everyday kind of makeup look. So let's go! In the market, there are so many glitter eyeshadows. Typically, you'll be able to find two different Typically, you'll be able to find two different kinds of eyeshadow. So the first kind would be your shimmer type. So shimmer type are very fine glitter. They are milled to like a powder. Okay, you can't really like see chunks of glitter in there. Okay, so these are your shimmer eyeshadows, which are very friendly to use for everyday look. Over here, I have a shimmer eyeshadow. This is the Etude House Prism in Eyes in Rosy Haze. So it's very light, very reflective, but in a very mild way. So these are your shimmer eyeshadow. So then we move on to the next type of glitter, which is chunky glitter. So chunky glitter are literally glitters that you can see with your eyes. They come in bits and pieces. I literally only own this palette, which has chunky glitters, and it has 3 chunky glitters in the center. This is the Candy Button Pressed Powder Palette. I will just be swatching this for you guys to see. I will probably swatch. Okay, I'll swatch this one. Oh. Even when you swatch it on your finger, you can literally see the glitters, okay? So I'm going to be swatching right beside the shimmer so that you guys can see the difference. Then we move on to formulas. So there are also different kinds of formulas for glitter stuff, which is firstly your kind of pressed powder, your eyeshadow palette kind of powders. So for glitters, they are normally a cream type because for chunky glitters, you can't put it into like a powder and expect it to clump together and stay together like a cake. So glitters can also be found in a liquid form. Okay, so liquid form like this too. This is from Fenty Beauty and this is from Peripera. So they all have a range of liquid eyeshadow glitters that you can use. For liquid, they don't really come in super chunky kind of glitters, but they come in like a, I guess, the balance between shimmer and chunky glitter. So for liquid formulas, they normally come with a wand by itself, okay? And I prefer a separate wand because when you're working with glitter, with your normal makeup brushes, it gets really difficult to clean and remove. And in the end, you are gonna be mixing eyeshadows and mixing glitters into your next look, which you don't want, okay? So now that you know the different kinds of glitter, now I'm gonna teach you guys how to put it on your eyes. Today, my eyes are literally bare on my eyeshadow. I only put like a little bit of eyeliner and a little bit of like, what's that called, mascara. So you always want to start with a shimmer glitter first. so that it doesn't chunk up your eyes with the chunky glitter, okay? So for the shimmer glitter, I'll be just using my finger, very simply. When I'm going for glitter looks with chunky glitter in it, I will always be using a shimmer glitter or a single color as the base. I would recommend you to choose a very nude and very base, very natural kind of color, the everyday color. Because the chunky glitter is going to be the focus of your eye look, you don't want your base color to be too bright or too crazy. It's gonna look very confusing and it's gonna look very messy as well, and we don't want that. Load up your finger with the shimmer glitter and we're gonna go. So put it all over your lid and don't worry. Oh sh. If you want to, you can use a pencil brush, which is a small precise brush, to pick up some shimmer and put it at your lower eye region so that it makes the whole look a little bit more together, more integrated, you know what I mean? For myself, I like to define my agyeopsal, which is the eye fat that you see underneath. So this is the one by Fenty Beauty 2-in-1 liquid eyeshadow, and this is the Eyelid Bling color. Take a little bit and put it on my hand over here. Some people like to put it directly. You can do that for the upper lid, but when you're doing precise work, I would say don't do that. You can use your finger to slightly pick up a little bit of the product. Or on the front part of your eye, okay? If some of the glitter go underneath, it's fine, okay? You don't have to worry about it. And then use this also to also define the front of your eyes so that it makes your eyes pop a little more. So now we go on to using the chunky glitters, okay? How you're gonna use it very naturally is to not use too much. I don't like to use my finger because it's gonna get stuck all over. I'm gonna be using my small little pencil brush again because, you know, it's hard to clean, but I will just go and clean it later anyway. Okay, if you don't know what happened over here, please go and watch my Colourpop video because it's so annoying, and apparently somebody else had this problem as well with the same palette. I think it's the formula. This one just popped right off. So out of these few colors, this is a bit too cool for the look that I'm going today, and this one I feel like it's also on the cool side, so probably I will go with this color. So how you want to use these chunky glitters is to accentuate your eyes. How you're going to accentuate your eyes is basically to put it on your center of your lid and also on the center of your bottom lid as well. Then you can pick up a little and put it at the bottom as well. So when you are putting glitters, you want to put it on a dabbing motion, don't rub it. Okay, don't rub it on your eyes like how you do for your shimmer eyeshadow or your normal eyeshadow. You want to dab it on, okay? Dab it on. And just a little tip, if you are using even chunkier glitters and you want them to stay for the whole day, what you can do is to use eyelash glue. Dab a dot of eyelash glue, then dab your chunky glitter on it, and it will stay the whole day just like eyelashes do, okay? When I blink, you guys can see a very big difference, right? So this side blinks up and this side doesn't. So yeah, that's the difference, you guys, okay? Let me do up the other eye and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, okay? When you go very close to somebody, oh, this girl extra! So that's all for today, and I hope you guys go and try it out. So this is how I use glitter on an everyday basis, on a very natural makeup kind of basis. So if you guys have any other methods, please share them with me because this is somewhere that I'll probably want to learn more as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys have learned something new as usual. If you guys like this video, please like it and subscribe down below. I have a lot more coming. If you'd like to see other videos, I have them all in this playlist right here. If not, I'll see you guys next week in the next video. Bye!